I think someone here sees a brighter future for himself or herself. And I think this is the energy here of someone who undergone a lot of painful experiences from his or her past right here, but now gaining that courage, okay? That courage to face their future with that brighter smile, with that confidence, with that um total acceptance, okay? Like this person here is now ready to embark this new beginning here in their lives. Yeah, full of positivity. That's the energy. I see them turning their back with their dark past, turning their back as well with their addictions. I'm seeing them moving towards their future. Yeah, look at that. Even though it's quite hard, they're really moving forward. Six of Swords energy. This is the energy of moving into calmer water. See, look at that. There are a lot of monsters right here, but there's that determination. Okay? There's that pushing forward into the future with that Moon card energy. Even though this is something here unknown with this person here knows that he or she needs to move on. Okay, and picking up that this person here is moving towards the calmer water here. Let's see who this person is. Angels and spirit guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. Can we get more messages? Can we have more messages, please? Okay, so let's go ahead and check other informations given by the angels and spirit guides. No. Okay. Just take only what resonates, guys. And we do not have any gender right here. And of course, this is timeless as well. Wow. I think you're gonna help someone here achieve his or her wish. You're gonna help someone here, okay? But I do pick up that you are someone here that is not aware or unaware about this. So yeah, before we start talking more, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome. I'm from the Philippines, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, you're appearing here as the Queen of Wands energy. There's this High Priestess right here and that beautiful Six of Wands energy. So you could be in a public eye. Maybe you are owning here your own channel. Maybe you have here your YouTube channel, or maybe you have any social media platforms. Could be TikTok, or could be Instagram, or whatever social media applications. Okay, you could be also social influencer, or I do pick up that maybe you are someone here who appears to be in the public eye. Okay, whatever it is, I do pick up that you are someone here getting recognition. Maybe you are not that famous, but maybe you are very good when it comes to your field. Maybe it has something to do with your work. Maybe it has something to do with your job. Or maybe it has something to do with your business here. So with the Queen of Wands energy, I think you are gaining here popularity, and you have here audiences, but there's someone here standing out to me. I do pick up that you will definitely meet this person here in one of your travels, okay? Or you could had already met each other's eyes, but you know, this is some kind of a random only situation. So this could be someone here that you probably do not know, but you probably saw him or her. It's like this gives me this type of energy. I'm getting that word fanatic. So this could be your fan right here or one of your fans. And with this Three of Cups energy and there's that Seven of Cups, I do pick up that this person here really admires you because you are embodying this very glowing energy. You're embodying this type of strong radiance, okay? A very bright energy. You are someone here who is being admired by this person here. I think you have here a lot of people wanting to be in your presence, but this one, I think this is your super fan. So I do pick up that this person here, you are someone who distract him or her unawarely from the negative things that's happening around him or her or in his life. Okay, he or she uh tends to ignore, okay, the negativities around him or her with your help. So I do pick up that you are changing here this person's world, you're changing this person's situation, and I think you are helping this person here unawarely by just following you. Maybe this is your follower right here, this is one of your subscribers, or this is someone here who is around you. I think this person here, yeah, made a decision to stay in your presence. So maybe this person here gives me the vibe that with this world card energy, Nine of Wands right at the heart of this reading and Seven of Wands, I do see that this is someone here who keeps on following your statuses, viewing frequently your social media platforms right here, always looking at your photos, watching your videos if you do have here one, or this is them, they're updated with your statuses. So whoever this individual is, this person here is like his or her day is not complete without looking at your profile. Or if this person here is near you or close to you, this person's day is not complete if he or she will not get to see or view you. Yeah, so whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this is someone here new. This could be someone here probably that is a stranger to you, but guess what? This one, I think you've created a very positive change into this person's life because this person is telling me that he or she can be able to survive each day dealing with his or her own problems because of your help, just by seeing you, watching your videos. Because you know what? The Queen of Wands energy is embodying this type of high potential that you could be a very good mentor. Doesn't have to be that you're a teacher, but your advices really strike into this person's heart spot on. So whatever the case may be, I do pick up that you really did help this person here overcome his or her everyday struggles. Yeah. So I think you continuously inspire this person here to move forward with his or her life. Three of Coins energy, and there's this Three of Wands. I do pick up that this person here, he or she is gaining strength just by watching you, reading your statuses, watching your videos, seeing you. This is not just a love situation here, but more likely I'm picking up a super fanatic energy. So this could be one of your fans. This could be a guy or a woman right here who wants to be always around you. You are already part of his or her everyday routine. This person here loves to see you every day, every time he or she has this free time. I do pick up that this person here tends to look at your profile, okay, just to energize himself or herself more. So yeah, I think this person here is in a very good place in his or her life right now because of you. This person is telling me that you create here positive changes since he or she had found you. So definitely, I think you are someone here who inspired, motivated this person to achieve more in his or her life and to continue to create positive changes in his or her own world. So I do see that you are someone here who can definitely change someone's uh, perspective when it comes to their situations. And I do pick up that you are someone here with the Queen of Pentacles energy, or someone here who can be able, yeah, this person here sees you as someone who is very abundant, and you can be able to share whatever it is that you have, okay? Without hesitation. So I do see that this is you. You are a very nurturing and very caring energy. And these people here sees that in you. So I do see that there are a lot of people right here, okay, being attracted to your energy because you are such a very loving individual, and they see an angel in you. With the high priestess right here, these people right here literally sees you on that high pedestal. You are being respected by these people right here, and I think they will continue to be in your presence right here. They will continue to listen to you. They will continue to interact with you. If there's already interaction to some of you, they will stay. Okay, they will always choose to stay in your presence, especially this person here standing out. I think you're helping here people around you unawarely. Yeah, I think you do not know that you are sending good vibes with other people. You are shedding light, enlightenment with other people. You are definitely leading these people right here, distracting them from their problems and leading them to this healthier life. So I do pick up that this person standing out here with the Nine of Cups energy, Nine of Pentacles energy, Six of Pentacles, I do see that this person here could be seeing mirroring numbers or repeating numbers, okay? But this doesn't have to be, particularly angel numbers 999, or you could be seeing a lot of number 6, just like how this resonates. But however, this individual here, I do pick up that this person here will soon or in the future find you, because you will definitely help this person here unawarely to achieve his or her wish to come true. So you are one of the biggest help. This person here will definitely will not forget and will continue to remember to give it back to you. So this person here will definitely search for you in the future because he or she wants to gift you something, to give you a present, something as a token of appreciation, and they're just so thankful. They're just so grateful right here that they've achieved their goals and dreams in life because of you. Your words are really powerful right here. You're like an earth angel here, sweetheart. You are someone here who is capable to change other people's perspective in a very positive way. You're just shedding here a light that can definitely lead someone here back on the right track, on the track that they're meant to head, or they're meant to take. So whatever the case may be, I do see you right here that you are someone here who is embodying this positivity. You are someone here who is gaining more popularity. And I do pick up that this is you. You are so very humble here, sweetheart, with this Queen of Pentacles energy, even though these people here respects you a lot. And in seeing other people here gathering towards you, I do pick up that these people here will continue to show their appreciation, love for you, because you did help them conquer whatever it is, something difficult in their lives, challenges, tests that they cannot escape from. But after finding you, after finding here whatever it is that you're telling them, whether it's in social media or in person, I do pick up that you've awakened um these people's soul right here to pursue whatever it is that they want to pursue in their life, and not to quit moving forward into their life's journey. So you are a big help with these people, and this person here specifically standing out, who could be someone here who is a stranger to you now, but this person will definitely search and look for you in the future because he or she wants to gift you something, because you did help him or her surpass that big challenge that he or she had faced in his or her life, or because you had helped him or her achieve one of his or her wishes, and you help him or her unawarely to uh, happen it or to make it happen into their reality. So wow, I think you are really someone here who is who has this gift of making someone here feel a lot more better about themselves, and to believe with themselves that they can be able to achieve anything that they want in life, that there's no such thing as the word impossible, because everything is possible to happen. You are someone here who is very radiant. You are like someone here who is like the sun, and you spread your vibe, you spread your positivity, you spread your light with these people right here, and they're so inspired to move forward with their life because of you. And I think you do not know that. You do not know that you are helping a lot of souls right here, sweetheart. So, wow. I'm really proud of you, whoever energies right here were tapping. I do see that you are someone here who is like an earth angel, and continue, okay, doing whatever it is that you're doing, because I think this is part of your life's purpose here, sweetheart. Thank you so much for being such a good model, and for being such an earth angel with these people. Continue spreading love and continue shining your light with these people here. They're really in need of your presence. So thank you so much, and love and light.